Hi everybody, welcome to Kimia Wellness. My name is Franco and I'm a licensed acupuncturist with over 20 years experience in Chinese medicine. Today we're going to talk about women's health, infertility, menopause, and premenstrual syndrome. Within a woman's cycle, because you have 4 phases with that cycle, there's a lot of hormonal fluctuations that you go through within your menses. A lot of times what you tend to see is a lot of premenstrual pain, irritability, sometimes depression, and fluctuations even within the menses itself. A lot of what within women's health, what's important and what we treat really well in Chinese medicine is how to balance these hormones so that way you're more comfortable and becomes less of an issue while you're going through all these different fluctuations. There's some really basic things that you can do at home to help you with that. Is massaging these 2 points right here, just at the front end of the eyebrow, and just giving that a really good massage, even massaging here in the center. These points connect with the anterior pituitary, and the anterior pituitary plays a big role in hormonal balance, keeping this area very warm. A lot of what you can do is to just rub in the area of like uterus and ovaries, and then as you rub it, then just hold it there and let that heat absorb into your lower abdomen. This is very helpful, very beneficial, and you'll see that within Chinese medicine and even in Chinese culture, this is used very often for women and their menstrual issues. If you have any delayed menses or maybe have menses that is too long, Chinese medicine is very good at that. It helps balance using acupuncture and Chinese herbs. It helps to balance out that irregularity, and so that way you have a 28-day cycle with a menses that lasts about 5 days. There's also reproductive medicine and how acupuncture benefits with fertility. Research has shown that by using acupuncture together with IVF, it increases your chances up to 50%. And this is beneficial, again, because of the fact that acupuncture really helps to relax the body and balance out all these different systems like the autonomic nervous system and the like, and helps to manage the hormone balance within the body, and this will help to increase ovarian reserve. For infertility, a lot of really important things are going to be obviously have a balanced diet. Make sure you have enough nutritious foods and getting away from a lot of these more refined and sugary foods. It's going to be very important to reduce that inflammatory process, which then affects the hormones in your system. Cold raw foods for women is also to be avoided, especially during the cold seasons. During the summer it's okay, but cold raw foods and drinks can cool in Chinese medicine, they can cool the uterus, and that can create constriction and weakness within the body. So really trying to stay warm or lukewarm drinks and steamed vegetables, things like that are very important. And obviously if you don't eat meat, then making sure you have enough protein and B vitamins. Also you have menopause for as we age, these different changes that happen within the body. And within Chinese medicine, you have a lot of Chinese herbs that will help to supplement some of those imbalances that tend to give you those heat flashes and maybe even the difficulty sleeping and things like this that come along with menopause. If you're experiencing problems with menopause, there are some real basic things that you can do. One really important thing is trying to this mindfulness practice. The practice of calming your mind and bringing your breath down to your lower abdomen so it settles everything down, and that'll help keep you cool, as well as help balance out some of the hormone imbalances that are happening within the body. Obviously, drinking enough fluids and things like that is always important. Eating the right foods, and those types of things that we can help you with here and help guide you through that process. Thank you very much. And we really look forward to seeing you here at Kimia Wellness.